Hey guys, welcome back. For my second video of the channel. And the model I'm unboxing now is a model I had for Christmas. It is the Hornby Leadenhall. Will the camera focus? No. The camera will not focus. So get it out of the box. It is really smaller than you'd think it would be. Just put the box off to the side and take this out. I have already opened the box. I haven't ran it yet because I haven't been bothered to take the track out because I'm lazy. Anyway, here it is. I don't actually know. I think it's part of the Hornby Railways range. There you go, focused. So I think this is part of the Railways range because on there, so it'd probably say railroad or even on this box here, which it doesn't. And yeah, it's got the improved engine green. And most of you might know, most terriers don't, well, all the terriers don't have these sandboxes here anymore. And this flap here, I have no clue what they're called. So some of you might be wondering, why is it still here? Well, that's because this example got scrapped in 1901 when they was reducing the amount of steam engines that they needed. And out of 50 terriers, there was just 15 left. And this is one of the ones that got scrapped. I can show you number 48 there. Nameplate. I do like this livery, it is very nice. But anyway, let's move it down. So you've got the burgundy rods. And if you turn around here, the Westinghouse brake pump. No, the lettering again, the number. One thing that does annoy me a little bit with Hornby is some of these models come with both the couplers on the front, and really should have the choice to put them on, like you do on the railroad range. And it doesn't stop there. Notice these little holes on the cab. Well, that's because Hornby were too lazy to design another cab roof, and for example. But it's nice in there. And is there painted details? Come on. Oh, I just had to look out the camera. Yes, there is. Oh yeah, and these glazed windows. It's very nice looking on the outside. When you turn it round, no. Edge there with the holes that don't need to be there too. Sorry about that. Yeah. It is a very nice model. I love the lining, especially something you can't probably tell. It's not just the white lining, you've got the burgundy and black lining. Just put the coupling down a little bit. But yeah, it is a very nice model, but the few things wrong with it, like there was on my Mallard. And talking about Mallard, I filmed a video to run it, and the crank pins were loose out of the factory, so that is not very good. So I need to get a hex nut spinner to do this. And well, so for the ones you don't know, this is, well, already know this is a railways range because I've mentioned it. Does the Hornby Leadenhall have sprung buffers? A, yes, or B, no? Well, let's test it. The correct answer is B, no. And it's not like the Hornby Mallard either. Just don't have them. I love the riveting on the roof. I absolutely love that riveting. It makes it look really nice. Just get the smoke box door up there. It is a very nice model. Wait, hang on. There you go. Let's get that out of the way. This is the separately. These are the detail packs that I cannot be bothered to put on because the model is so small and it'll be hard and I'll probably break it. And get the safety buckle out. One mistake I made last time was doing this, so there you go. A1/A1X class Terrier 060 steam locomotive, obviously. And there is the Hornby logo again. So open this up, it is basically the same as the Mallard. It shows you the crank pins. Here it's showing you how to take the body off. And the bearings, separately fitted details. I'm going to try that. And how to fit the decoder, which you need to buy separately. Just the safety notes about that. Yeah, I'm definitely 14. Definitely not 14 in 2 years. Definitely not, no. Important, this locomotive is made to exact and fine scale standards, and therefore necessarily incorporates small, delicate, protruding parts handled with care. Before using the model, read through the operating and maintenance instructions in the leaflet. Okay, Hornby, that's something I won't do. Right, all this fold shut. Yes. Stick that back in there. Now the box. It is a very nice box. Right, sorry about that, I just needed to do something quickly. Right, so, as I was saying, the box is very nice, although the couplings, Hornby are very evil, and they've already fitted them. That's what I don't like Hornby for. They do little things like that does actually annoy me when it shouldn't. But this, right? I wonder why they couldn't have shrunk the logo, or that should be moved back a bit as well. That is actually really annoying me. It's just red under the Hornby Hobbies, DCC ready. Go history, this is the British Railways ranking for the Terriers, 0p. And it's got the history there, so you can pause it if you want to read that. Right, you go Hornby logo again. Yeah, so this is a really nice model. Oh god. Yeah, this is a really nice model, and I think it was worth every penny, depending on how much it is. Yeah, I'll make a running video of the terrier soon. I don't know when. And soon I should be making a video on a review of the MG models Pan Am 747SP. I think it's called China Clipper. Yeah, China Clipper. So yeah, bye.